So a lot of people ask us, they'll have a sliding door and they would like to put a French door in. Yes, we can do that. Or vice versa, they have a French door and they'd like to put a sliding door in. The first thing is, within reason, I always have to say that little caveat, we custom build and can make doors fit into different size openings. There are minimums and maximums and things like that, and we have to work around those. But just as an example, we'll have a lot of people that'll have a dated sliding door in their kitchen, and they want to go back with a French door, double door, so they can open it up and bring the outside to the inside, etc. We can do that. Or the people will have a French or atrium door down in their basement, and they hate how it swings in because it takes up space inside the room, the pool table, the whatever. I'm just making that up. And so we replace that with a sliding door. We can make a sliding door work where there's a French door. We can make a French door work where there's a sliding door. You can make a French door go what an atrium door is, which people are like, what's an atrium door? That's the kind where one half of the door is solid and one half swings open and closed. And you can replace that with a French door, a sliding door, or anything. That's the benefit of custom building. And again, within reason, I always have to throw that caveat out. But even if it requires construction, we're capable of doing that. We'll have people that'll have a single entry door going out of the kitchen, and they're like, we don't know why they just put this one door here. We want to open this up and put a sliding door or a French door in. We can do it within reason. If you have a house that's made out of concrete, we can't do it. If you have a brick house, we don't really want to fool with the brick or the stone or things like that. But if you have a typical wood framed house with wood siding, vinyl siding, hardy siding, stucco, that type of stuff, we can do that. And we do this all the time. So yes, the doors can be custom built to fit inside the opening. Yes, you can replace with whatever you'd like to replace with. The only thing that limits you is, some caveats and your imagination and budget.